Welcome to the July Quick Bite featuring blackberries. July is National Berries Month and the perfect month to incorporate blackberries into child nutrition program menus. Blackberries are fresh, sweet, and a delicious summer treat. They can be featured in many recipes used in homes and child nutrition programs across Kansas. Blackberries are clusters of little fruits, each with their own seed, called drupelets. Blackberries grow on shrubs that produce long stems called canes. These canes will produce the blackberries. The process begins with a bud that grows into a flower. The center of the flower begins to form a small green berry. As the berry grows, it starts to turn red. Red blackberries are not ripe yet. They'll turn purple as soon as they begin to ripen and are ready to pick when they are dark black in color. Blackberries are grown locally across Kansas, freshly available in the months of June and July. Let's take a look at some fresh blackberries from a local farm in Baldwin City. Today we're here at South Baldwin Farms looking at all 6 variations of blackberries that they have. South Baldwin Farms is managed by Gabe Spurgeon. Let's hear from Gabe to learn more about the process of growing blackberries.
The nice thing about blackberries is they start producing that second year. Blackberry canes grow from the roots every year. What grows from the roots this year produces blackberries next year.
Did you know that there are over 500 variations of blackberries? The sweetness varies across the varieties for many different purposes, such as using in desserts, jams, or just eating fresh or frozen. Picking blackberries makes for a fun summer activity that can be enjoyed by everyone. Not only are they delicious, blackberries are very nourishing for the body. They contain nutrients that support the brain, improve memory, prevent blood clots in the heart, and support the GI tract. Here's a fun recipe to incorporate blackberries into homes or child nutrition programs. This recipe is from the Healthier Kansas Menu's CACFP. The original recipe is 25 servings, but for this demonstration, the recipe will be 8 servings. One 6-ounce serving provides 1/2 cup of fruit and 1/2 ounce meat alternative. It is credited as a reimbursable snack for CACFP ages 1 to 5. First, gather the ingredients and equipment. A blender will be needed for this recipe. Ingredients include 3 cups of frozen mixed berries, 1.5 cups of non-fat vanilla yogurt, and 1.5 cups of 100% apple juice. Begin by adding all the ingredients to a blender and blend until the ingredients are mixed well and the fruit is chopped up. After the smoothie is mixed, pour it into a cup. This smoothie is quick to prepare and is great for breakfast and snacks. Enjoy!